Hi there, Wally Wells with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Today I'm excited to bring you this 2020 Sea Ray 400 SLX here on beautiful Possum Kingdom Lake. This boat was sold new at the Dallas Boat Show in 2020 and it's been here at Possum Kingdom ever since. Has less than 100 hours on it, 200 hours on the generator, loaded with features and options, and we're going to take a look at those. One of the most significant features on this boat is the submersible swim platform. And this is a great place to hang out. It goes about a foot below the water. You're on the boat, yet you're in the water, so it's very safe. And at night, you can turn on the underwater lights and light up the water around you. Another feature back here at the Transom is this huge storage locker on the port side, which is large enough to accommodate a fully inflated paddleboard. And then the stern seat raises to offer up another place for wet storage for life jackets or water toys or whatever. Another interesting feature about this boat is the drop-down terrace. And this drops down to give the boat a tremendous amount of extra space here on deck. Another interesting feature is this backrest that swings around so you can have a great view from the terrace. And what a view here on Possum Kingdom Lake. This boat is all about space, and this L-shaped sofa here on the port side is just huge. And the passenger seat can be turned around to face the social zone. Just a lot of space to mingle and move around without feeling crowded. And overhead we have the fiberglass hardtop, which has the opening canvas canopy, so you can enjoy the sun during the day and stars at night. If you need more shade, we have the retractable awning back here, the Sure Shade that goes all the way back to the sun lounge back there. This boat is all about entertaining, and that's why it was dubbed the Entertainer when it made its debut a few years ago. So you have the flat screen TV, dual Kenyon grills. The Kenyon grills are perfect for boats because you don't have to store any charcoal or propane. We have a refrigerator and wine cooler and dedicated trash storage bin lockered there right under the sink. The helm station has dual helm seats with flip-up bolsters, and we have the Simrad glass dash display, which has all of your switches on the left screen integrated into the screen there for pumps, lights, everything. And then some switches below that offer some redundancy there. The screen on the right I've got set up for the large digital readout for the engines, really easy to read. And then we have the DTS engine controls, the Axius joystick, which has the skyhook feature, and the auto helm feature. You have an auto heading there that acts as an autopilot. This boat's equipped with twin 8.2 liter high output 430 horsepower Mercruiser V8s with Bravo 3 drives. There's only 96 hours on the engines, and all of the services, preventative maintenance, everything has been performed by MarineMax. One of the most interesting things about this boat is that everything is on one level. When you go from the back of the boat to the bow, there's no steps, there's no anything to trip over. It's just a smooth transition up to the bow of the boat. You go through this walk-through, and at the bow you're going to see 2 bench seats on each side, and then the lounge, which has 3 seats, so you can comfortably seat 7 adults up here. And it's a very comfortable space. It has stereo remote, charging ports, leather-wrapped handrails, drop-down armrests. You can put a table up here. Just a really great place to hang out. At the bow, we also have the electric anchor windlass with the stainless steel plow anchor, stainless steel spotlight on the port side, and on the starboard side, we have a freshwater wash down or bow shower, however you want to use it. The Sea Ray 400 SLX is a premium luxury day boat, but it has overnight accommodations as well. In the cabin, we have a microwave, refrigerator, flat screen TV. Up forward, there's a berth that can be converted to a table, dinette. The head is equipped with vessel-style sink, vacuum flush toilet, opening port, and air conditioning vent, and it's a wet head. There is a shower, but it is a wet head. The mid-cabin features a huge berth back here, and it also has accent lighting and flat screen TV and some storage. That wraps up this video for the 2020 Sea Ray 400 SLX. This is a beautiful boat, low hours, freshwater. For MarineMax, I'm Wally Wells. Thanks for watching.